Hey there! Adding a menu to your e-commerce website helps your customers navigate through your store with ease. Now you can not only create a menu but also a sub-menu as well. Menus and sub-menus put together enhance the overall discovery aspect of your products for your customers on your e-commerce website built with Dukaan. Here's how you can do that. From your Dukaan dashboard, click on the Appearance menu from the left sidebar. Then click on Menu. Over here, you can see all 4 different types of menu items you can have in your store. These menu items can be a page, custom link, or specific products and categories. Let's go through them one by one. The first option is Pages. Under this list, you can check all the active pages that can be added to your menu. If you want to create a new page or modify the list of pages, simply click on the Pages submenu item from the Appearance menu on the sidebar. Inside the Pages menu, you can click here to add a new page, or click on this hamburger icon to edit a publish page, move a publish page into the drafting stage and vice versa, and you can delete a page as well. Once you're done creating the pages you want to add to the menu, go back to the page where we can set up our menu by clicking here. Now you can see the newly created pages as well under the Pages drop-down. Select the pages you want to add and click on Add to Menu. Once you do this, you can check that these are added to your list of menu items, which you can see on the right side under Menu Structure. Next up, we have the option to add a custom link. Here, you need to input a URL and the navigation label, meaning what text will be displayed for this link on your menu. This is a great way to add any kind of external link you want. Next option you get is to add products directly. Similar to Pages, select the list of products you want to add directly to your menu and then click on Add to Menu. You can also use the search bar to search through your catalog and find the products easily. Up next, you have the option to add categories as well. Simply select the categories you want to add directly to the menu, search for them if you can't find it, and finally click on Add to Menu to add it to the menu structure. When you're done adding all the items you want in the menu, it's time to structure the menu for easier navigation. Over here, you can do 3 things mainly. First, you can click on this drop-down icon here to change the navigation label for the menu item, and you can also remove it should you choose to. Next, you can drag and rearrange the items in this list to change the order in which they show up in your menu. And finally, if any of these is a sub-menu item which you want to display under a drop-down for a main item, you can easily do so by clicking and dragging the corresponding item under the primary menu you want to add it to. Don't worry, you can rearrange and modify every single detail out here, so feel free to experiment with the available options to get the right structure you want for your e-commerce store. When you're done setting it all up, click on the Save Menu button. Your buyers can now access this menu from your website, and this is how it looks on the web and on the mobile. Happy selling!